In this video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing tools that will help you to grow on LinkedIn, that will help you to comment on your prospect post, that will help you to create a post automatically. Because guys, you need to understand that we are living in the digital era. We are living in the AI era, and if you are not using AI to grow your business, to grow your social media account, then you are wasting your time because we need to understand that if we are going to create a post manually, then it will take so much time, and we are not here to waste our time. We are here to grow our business. That's why you need to use AI to grow on LinkedIn to grow your business. Okay, so first tool is that. So first tool is Sale AI. You can say Sale AI or Salee AI. Okay, whatever you want to say. So this tool will help you to write a personalized invitation message for your prospect. Because guys, you know that you if you want to connect with your prospect on LinkedIn, you need to first send invitation notes. Okay, yeah, you can also send connection request without invitation notes, but if you will send invitation notes, if you will send connection request with the invitation notes, then they will accept your request. Okay, but if you will send a gender personalized invitation notes, then out of 100 people, only 5 to 6 people will accept your request. But if you will send very personalized invitation notes, then will get at least 10 to 20 acceptance rate. That's why you need to use this tool, and this tool will help you to write a personalized message automatically. You don't need to do anything, only you need to extend this install this extension on your browser, and you need to do some setting before using this tool. Okay, and also this tool will help you to write a to chat with your prospect. Okay, only you need to do some setting. Okay, now I'm going to show you the second tool is Merlin AI. Merlin AI, guys, will help you to write a post automatically. So let's say you want to write a post on the topic of how to grow on LinkedIn. Okay, okay, and you want to create a post in thought leadership. So Malini I will help you to write a post automatically. Okay, put repost text so I can provide the. So we need to do some setting. Okay, before writing a post, and Merlin I will help you to write a post very easily in a few minutes. You don't need to be worry about anything. Okay, and the third tool will help you to summarize any post for your social media account or for your uh, post. Okay, let's say you want to summarize how to grow your business. You are searching this article, so this website has this article. Okay, so what you can do, you can use this extension to you can use this ChatGPT summarize extension to summarize this post for your social media account or for your blog, for anything. Okay, you don't need to be summarized, you don't need to be write manually. Okay, now I'm going to show you the fourth tool. Fourth tool, guys, Engage AI. Engage AI will help you to write a comment for your prospect post. Let's say you want to comment this post, so you need to click on comment, or let's say we will try this post. Okay, So you can click on comment, and now you need to um first say you need to do some setting. If you can see that I've already installed it, but I need to log in or I need to do some setting. But I'm not going to install it because I'm using right now ChatSonic tool. Okay, and ChatSonic also will help us to comment on our prospect post. So right now I'm using ChatSonic. So if I click on this icon, okay, and if I will write anything, and I will choose the tone. Now if I click on write, then ChatSonic will write a comment based on this post for me. Here you can see that. Yeah, this tool will write a long comment, okay, but you don't need to uh, this thing fully. Okay, you need to uh, edit some part, okay, then you can comment on this post. Okay, so that's how you can use also ChatSonic tool. Okay, and also I have also shared with you Engage AI. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it. These are the 5 tools that will help you to grow on LinkedIn, and also that will help you to grow your business. Okay, and if you are doing business, then you need to understand that you need to use AI tool. People are saying that there are so many people who say that we are not going to use AI tools. We need to create manually. But guys, you need to understand that. If you are going to write manually, if you are going to write your post manually, then it will take time, and you need to save your time to grow your business. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me, uh, and I will share the link of all these tools so that you can install it on your Chrome browser and use it.